video, we're going to show you how to take apart the lemonade stand. Now, this particular one is my personal one, so I've actually put a few of these pieces together permanently. So I won't be able to show you everything, but I'll show you the most important thing. So at any rate, the roof panel just comes off just like that. So that's really straightforward there. And there's these cleats along the back that hold and align the roof and everything together. Now where mine doesn't come apart is these are bolted to this, but I put a cross member in here to make that permanent. But if we look at the bottom here, you'll see that we have these wing nuts with the bolts, and that's what holds our roof support onto the top of the stand. Now as far as the stand itself, it's pretty straightforward how it folds up. We just take our shelf out, tilt this back just a little bit, and it'll fold up just like that, and away you go. Now as far as the weight of this thing on the individual pieces, I don't know, I guess this piece here is maybe 10 pounds. I really don't know the weight necessarily, but it's certainly a young child could probably carry it pretty easily. And then it's just a matter of the way this top goes on. There's a cleat all the way around. I'll show it to you here. So there's a cleat, there's a double thickness, and this is designed so these sides can't go in because we have our shelf in. And then our top, I usually do it from the end. So I line up my top with my cleats, just like so. And then your top will just lay down once you get everything lined up like it's supposed to be. There we go. And then our roof top, go back on. I usually do this from the back because I can see my cleats. So that's kind of the first thing I do is line up those cleats side to side, and it just slides right on top. And there you go. We're ready to sell lemonade.